probably put MC Abbas on screen because I think y'all are getting all the attention. Virat Kohli is getting all the attention. MC Abbas. Abbas, on a serious note, Virat Kohli. He's not done too well in the tri-series, but you think he'll deliver the goods for India come the World Cup?
He'll definitely do that, Mikey, because we've seen him perform, especially the big matches. And during Mukesh Ambani's party, when he was asked, Sachin was asked for his 100 hundreds, who do you think is going to be the next big one from India or any country in the world who's able to hold on to or try to break the record? The one name which Sachin mentioned was Virat Kohli. So being at this age and scoring about 21 odd centuries, not just that, another about 4 to 5 times he was in the 90s score.
Yes.
So considering that, I think he is the one able with, I definitely can't compare to Sachin, but probably someone close to him with that kind of talent at this age. I think he's a big match player, definitely with a lot of ammunition of his strokes, his 4 sixes. He's a class player, and being young, he's got all the energy, and like the beautiful ladies in the studio saying, definitely he's very intense.
Yes.
And like they say, they would be distracted, but I'm sure me, Vivek, Deepak and Sham Sat, we'd all like to watch the game.
Yeah, you didn't have to say
Even it, but we have to retain it. MC Abbas, your final thoughts about India's road to retaining the World Cup. We want to give it back.
Message from India to Pakistan would be, Pakistan is known for their very nice poetry, the beautiful Urdu words. So likewise, I'd like to give back to them with India's words. Noor-e-Haq Sham-e Ilahi ko bujha sakta hai kaun? India ka hum hi hai khuda, use mita sakta hai kaun?
I don't know what ESPN comedy next. Next, Sidhu. Next. Wow.
Thank you.
Abbas bhai, super.
And there's this beautiful dialogue I heard it in a movie. Probably what India wants to tell Pakistan. Doodh mango, kheer denge. World Cup mango, kheer denge.
Absolutely, yeah. We've not got to that stage yet. Now, before
ललकारते हुए उन्होंने कहा है कि हमें बहरे हस्ती से गुजर क्यों नहीं जाते, जीना नहीं आता तो मर क्यों नहीं जाते, उस पार पहुंचना है तो तूफान भी मिलेंगे, डरते हैं तो कश्ती से उतर क्यों नहीं जाते.
What do you do to get these lines so fast? Are you a big fan of Navjot Singh Sidhu, or you know a lot of Urdu yourself?
Sidhu is a fan of me.
Abbas, too much.
Good performances on the field.
Where's the share?
Here it comes. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है.
Wow. Yes.
That's super.
Well, all of you.
Do you think the toss can make a difference with it? Absolutely, it all depends on the toss as to what you wish to do, bat or bowl first. So it is going to be challenges, and I agree with my expert friends out here. Law of averages does definitely count in here. And for Dhoni and his boys, all I'd like to say is, लहरों से डरकर नौ कभी पार नहीं होती, हिम्मत वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
Wow, I think Abbas is again back in early morning with his shairis. Guys, you all should applaud and cheer for everything in India, Pakistan. Alright guys, now.
Beaten India in the World Cup matches, but otherwise they have. So that's what makes it interesting, because India has won about 5 or 6 times during the World Cups, but this time what is going to happen? That's going to be a challenge. And the best part is it's quite balanced right now, because we have Australia. It's not being played in India, it's not being played in Pakistan. It's a national neutral sport, which is Australia, bouncy pitches, and that is going to go in the favor of the Pakistani bowling attack. So that's going to be very, very interesting to see. I came across this wonderful WhatsApp message. He says, "Dekh bhai, चिल्लाना हो तो India चलाओ, पक पक तो मुर्गियां भी करती हैं."
Absolutely. Guys, now for any, do you think India holds the edge today? Because they've been.
Why not?
I don't remember any of that.
Why not? You promised.
There in the studio.
See, MC Abbas,
Poonam Pandey.
Poonam Pandey, of course, she should have put her bets this time on India. She would have got another opportunity. But MC Abbas took her position this time. Can we see you? Can we see you do that Ganguly again?
We don't mind if she comes in.
Well, coming to that, I'd love to see India-Pakistan again. I'm sure most of the Indians would like to see that, and the Pakistanis would love to see a game to avenge their loss here.
Correct.
So why not see them in a semi-final like a Mohali last time, or even a World Cup final? That'll be fantastic. And what an innings by Kohli. All I'd like to say is, जिंदा रहना है तो मेरे कारवां बनकर रहो, इस जमीन की बस्तियों में आसमां बनकर रहो. That is the innings. That is the knock he played. Fantastic. He came out guns blazing. He was belligerent. He was there. Shikhar started off very well. And of course taken well by even Raina. Raina came into the party. And probably these were the players the experts.
Have a better chance of winning.
Absolutely, I completely agree with that. And also, like said by Sam and Sam, it's definitely they played a very clinical game, and that came through for them. And also, as I was watching the match, I happened to tweet. You know, I saw India versus Pakistan. There's this Pakistani who said, "मुन्नी तुम्हारी बदनाम है, शीला तुम्हारी जवान है, कैप्टन हमारा पठान है." To which one of these very smart Twitter artists, Gabbar Singh, replied, "मुन्नी हमारी बदनाम है, शीला हमारी जवान है, जितने रन सचिन तेंदुलकर है, उससे छोटा साइज तुम्हारा पाकिस्तान है."
Oh my god. Yes.
So therefore, half of the back was broken for Pakistanis
Yes,
there.
yes.
Kohli coming into bat, doing a super performance. Shikhar Dhawan's partnership along with him, and joined by again Raina. That was a very smooth flow. And actually, I agree with Ali. You know, in Bachpan we used to play a lot of cricket. Ali used to bat so well, I used to forget my bowling. That's what happened with Mohammad Irfan also.
Yes.
You know, Indians were batting so superbly, he just forgot. In Shivaji Nagar language, we say, "Itni zabardast batting karya unhe, my bowling is bhulga." That's what he's gonna say. You know. So,
Boss is comparing him to Irfan.
But I tell you what, Mohammad Irfan, I mean, he's tall and all, but I think that will probably play against him. He won't play against his advantage.